My dear students, in this video we are going to solve a few more problems in the topic combinations which are in the textbook. The problem is, if NPR equal to 720 and NCR equal to 120. If NPR equal to 720 and NCR equal to 120, then find N and R. Find N and R. That is the problem. You know NPR equal to NCR into R factorial. You know the relation between NPR and NCR. That is NPR equal to R factorial into NCR, you know. So you bring this NCR to the left hand side, NPR by NCR equal to R factorial. NPR by NCR equal to R factorial. From this relation, I get R factorial equal to NPR by NCR. So R factorial equal to NPR is 720 by NCR is 120. 720 by 120 is 6. R factorial is 6. 3 factorial is 6, you know. You know 3 factorial is 6. Therefore R equal to 3. First relation R equal to 3. Next we have to find N. You know NPR equal to N into NPR. Since we are finding R equal to 3, we can have NP3. NP3 equal to N into N minus 1 into N minus 2. 3 terms only have to reduce. N into N minus 1 N minus 2, which is equal to 720 given. NP3, NPR is 3. So if you put R equal to 3, NPR is 720, NPR is 720, R equal to 3, therefore NP3 equal to 720. So NP3 can express as N into N minus 1 into N minus 2. 3 terms you have to reduce from N, that is equal to 720. So if you put N equal to 10, 10 minus 1 into 10 minus 2 equal to 10 into 10 minus 1 is 9 into 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 into 9, 90, 90 into 8, 720. So N equal to 10. From this we can find, from this relation we can find N equal to 10 by trial. By giving 720, 10 into 9 into 8, we know 720, therefore N equal to 10. And R equal to 3. So N equal to 10, R equal to 3. That's all about the problem. Okay? Next problem. Prove that 35C5 plus sigma R equal to 0 to 4. 39 minus R C4 equal to 40C5. Sigma is, sigma means the summation from R equal to 0 to 4. 39 minus R C4. 4 terms are 5 terms from 0 to 4. 39 minus R from R can be replaced by 0 to 4 and the summation plus 35C5 gives you 40C5. You have to prove. We will consider the left hand side. 35C5 you consider as it is. This is sigma R equal to 0 to 4. First you substitute R equal to 0. 39 minus 0 is 39. 39 minus 0. 39 minus 0 is 39C4 plus R equal to 1. 39 minus 1 is 38C4 plus R equal to 2. 39 minus 2, that is 37C4 plus R equal to 3. 39 minus 3, 36C4 plus summation. Sigma means summation. r equal to 4. 39 minus 4, that is 35. C4 plus, that's all. That is the left hand side, 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you put r equal to 0, 39 C4. If you put r equal to 1, 39 minus 1 is 38 C4. 38 C4. If you put r equal to 2, 39 minus 2, 37 C4. Plus, if you put r equal to 3, 39 minus 3 is 36 C4. And finally, if you put r equal to 4, 39 minus 4 is 35 C4. See, you consider this first and last term, 35 C5 plus 35 C4. You consider first and last term. This is of the form NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. You know these two, you add these two terms, remaining terms as it is you can write. These two things, if you get what you get, it is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR, that is equal to 36 C5. N1 35, n is 35 and r is 5. NCR plus NCR minus equal to n plus 1 CR. That is the formula. So 36 C5. First and last term gives you 36 C5 plus you consider another term 36. What is that? Or otherwise you consider and every term divide. That is next you get 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4 plus 39 C4. The remaining terms you are, as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Out of 6, you first and last term gives you a single term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two terms gives you NCR plus NCR minus 1, 5 minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4 as it is, and this is 39 C4. And these two becomes NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR, that is 37 C5 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4 plus 39 C4. And these two becomes NCR plus NCR minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4 is 38 C5 plus 38 C4 plus 39 C4. These two becomes 30 NCR plus NCR minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR, that is 39 C5 plus 39 C4. Again NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR, that is 31 n plus 1 is 40 C5. That is your right hand side answer. 40 C5 becomes right hand side. That's all about this problem. Okay? The next problem, if n plus 1 combination 8 is to n minus 3 P4 equal to 57 is to 16, then find n. Find the value of n. It's a ratio problem. A is to B equal to C is to D. You know from this ratio, n plus 1 C8 divided by n minus 3 P4 equal to 57 by 16. By ratio symbol, these two can be expressed as, the ratio can be expressed as like this. N plus A is to B is A by B equal to C by D. A is to B equal to C is to D means A by B equal to C by D. N plus 1 C8 divided by n minus 3 P4 equal to 57 by 16. You know n plus 1 C8 you consider as it is, but n minus 3p4 is, you know, npr equal to ncr into r factorial. Using this idea, n minus 3p4 equal to n minus 3c4. n minus 3c4 into r factorial is 4 factorial. R is 4. npr equal to ncr into r factorial. That formula. n minus 3 p4 is n minus 3 c4 into 4 factorial equal to 57 by 16. And you bring these entire terms to the right hand side. Okay. N plus 1c8 equal to 57 by 16 into this denominator term comes to the, if you bring it to the right hand side, it comes to the numerator. So n minus 3c4 into 4 factorial. That is n plus 1 factorial by r factorial 8 factorial into n plus 1 minus 8 factorial by rule. NCR is n factorial by r factorial to n minus r factorial equal to 57 by 16 into, you bring this 4 factorial as 24. 4 factorial is 24. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into NC3 is n minus 3 factorial divided by 4 factorial into n minus 3 minus 4 factorial. So here 2 8s are 16, you cancel by 8, 2 8s are 16 and 3 8s are 24. Okay, now n plus 1 factor, this is numerator, left hand side n plus 1 factorial by 8 factorial into n plus 1 minus 8 is n minus 7 factorial. N plus 1 minus 8 is n minus 7 factorial equal to 57. I can write it as 19 into 3. Again, already 1 3 is in the numerator. Okay. Into n minus 3 factorial divided by the denominator, you get 4 factorial into n minus 3 minus 4 is n minus 7 factorial. Okay, you can see in both the left hand side and right hand side denominator, you can cancel n minus 7 factorial as common term. On both sides, you get n minus 7 factorial in the denominator. Therefore, you can cancel n minus 7 factorial on both sides. And you will get n plus 1 factorial in the numerator, and you bring that n minus 3 factorial to the left hand side, it becomes the denominator. You will get what is it? Already this 8 factorial is there. It becomes in the numerator of the right hand side into 19 into 6. Sorry, 19 into 3, 9. You consider 3 into 3 only by 4 factorial. Okay. This n plus 1 factorial by n minus 3 factorial, up in this n plus 1 factorial up to n minus 3 factorial, it cancels. The next term you will get n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n plus 1. Up to n plus 1 factorial, you can cancel in this expression. Up to n minus 3 factorial can be cancelled in the numerator and denominator. The remaining terms are n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n plus 1 only. After cancelling n minus 3 factorial both in the numerator and denominator. because up to n minus 3 cancel in the term, then you will get n minus 2, n minus 1, n plus 1. Here also 8 factorial is what I can write it as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 8 factorial, 4 factorial, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 19 into 3 into 3 divided by 4 factorial. I can cancel 4 factorial both in the numerator and denominator and I get 19. Yeah. 3 into 6 you will get is 3 6 of 18. You find that and also you split this 8 by 4 into 2. Why I am splitting like that is 4 5s are 20 you write and 19 you get. 4 5s are 20, 19, 3 4 6 are 18 and 7 remaining 7 3s are 21. Because 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Like that I can compare. To compare left and right hand side, I consider right hand side terms also convert into 4 terms only, multiple of 4 terms. That is first term 18, second 19, third 20, fourth term 21. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, sorry, n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n plus 1. So n minus 2 is 18, n minus 1 is 19, n is 20, n plus 1 is 21. So n equal to 20. 20 minus 2 18, 20 minus 1 19, 20, 20 plus 1 21. So our required n value is 20. Find n. So in this expression, rational expression, after solving this, I will get n equal to 20. Like that you have to compare both left and right hand sides and you will get the answer. So this is one different problem. You just understand it and thereby I conclude my video and we will continue the remaining problems in our next video. Thank you.